Guys, it's Rug, and I'm making this video to say happy birthday to Niall Horan. Also, um, he, um, he is like the best. Like all of One Direction's the best. Zayn, Harry, Louis, Liam, Niall, they're amazing. Like they're awesome, and like I'm a huge fan of them. I'm going to their 2013 concert in Pennsylvania, and um. And I mean, they're awesome. And I also tried making a video to say happy birthday for Liam. And when I saved it to my computer, because I had to go to my soccer practice, but when I saved it, somehow it got deleted. So now, it's the post one. Well, I'm trying to say happy birthday to Liam Payne and Niall Horan. Because I love you guys so much, and I support you guys 100%. Also, yeah, that's all I want to say basically. So happy birthday to all of you guys. I'm a huge fan. And thank you guys so much for doing what you guys do and everything. I love you guys. What? I love you guys. Bye. Happy birthday.